National Weather Service in Charleston has issued a tornado warning for portions of Bryan County in southeastern Georgia, Chatham County in southeastern Georgia, Jasper County in southeastern South Carolina, until 3:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:55 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Burroughs, moving northeast at 25 miles an hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree is likely. Locations impacted include Pula, Richmond Hill, Windsor Forest, the Interstate 16, Interstate 95 interchange, Hunter Army Airfield, downtown Savannah, Godley Station, Savannah International Airport, Midtown Savannah, Garden City, Port Wentworth, Bloomingdale, Thunderbolt, Savannah Historic District, and White Marsh Island. This warning includes Interstate 16 between mile markers 153 and 168. Interstate 5, 16 between mile markers 3 and 9. Interstate 95 in Georgia between mile markers 91 and 1. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.